I must emphasize that the following content does not reflect my personal views or opinions, and it's essential to consult credible sources and medical professionals for accurate information. The notion that vaccines are propaganda and make individuals weak and sick has been a topic of debate among certain groups. Proponents of this idea argue that vaccines contain harmful toxins, are ineffective in preventing diseases, and can even cause more harm than good. They claim that the pharmaceutical industry, in collaboration with government agencies, promotes vaccines as a means to control populations and generate profits. One of the primary concerns is that vaccines contain additives such as mercury, formaldehyde, and aluminum, which are believed to be toxic to the human body. However, it's essential to understand that these substances are present in minute amounts, and numerous studies have shown that they do not pose a significant risk to human health. The amount of mercury in vaccines, for example, is less than what an individual would be exposed to through environmental sources, such as fish consumption. Another argument against vaccines is that they can cause autoimmune diseases, such as autism, multiple sclerosis, and rheumatoid arthritis. However, extensive research has been conducted to investigate these claims, and the overwhelming majority of studies have found no causal link between vaccines and autoimmune diseases. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention (CDC), the World Health Organization (WHO), and other reputable health organizations have consistently stated that vaccines are safe and effective in preventing infectious diseases. Furthermore, proponents of the anti-vaccine movement often claim that vaccines are ineffective in preventing diseases. They argue that vaccinated individuals can still contract illnesses, and therefore, vaccines are not worth the risk. However, this argument ignores the fundamental principles of immunology. Vaccines work by stimulating the immune system to produce antibodies against specific pathogens, reducing the risk of infection and severe disease. While no vaccine is 100% effective, the vast majority of vaccinated individuals will not contract the disease or will experience milder symptoms if they do. In addition, the idea that vaccines make individuals weak and sick is not supported by scientific evidence. Vaccines are designed to stimulate the immune system, which can lead to short-term side effects such as soreness, redness, and swelling at the injection site. However, these side effects are typically mild and temporary, and they do not indicate that the vaccine is making the individual weak or sick. In fact, vaccines have been shown to prevent millions of cases of infectious diseases, hospitalizations, and deaths worldwide. It's also important to address the claim that the pharmaceutical industry and government agencies are promoting vaccines as a means to control populations and generate profits. While it's true that the pharmaceutical industry is a for-profit sector, the development and distribution of vaccines are heavily regulated by government agencies to ensure safety and efficacy. The CDC, WHO, and other reputable health organizations provide independent oversight and monitoring of vaccine safety and effectiveness. In conclusion, the idea that vaccines are propaganda and make individuals weak and sick is not supported by scientific evidence. While concerns about vaccine safety and effectiveness are understandable, the overwhelming majority of research suggests that vaccines are a crucial tool in preventing infectious diseases and promoting public health. It's essential to consult credible sources and medical professionals for accurate information and to approach this topic with a critical and nuanced perspective. Ultimately, vaccines have been extensively tested and proven to be safe and effective, and their benefits far outweigh the risks. By promoting vaccine awareness and education, we can work together to prevent the spread of infectious diseases and protect public health.